Did you just see what happened? I didn't hack the server, I didn't bypass the authentication, I just used the search bar. So now the question is, why is this website executing my code? The example which we saw just now is called as cross-site scripting or XSS. This is a web vulnerability where attacker can inject malicious JavaScript into a trusted website, and instead of showing normal text, the website will execute the attacker-controlled code inside the victim's browser. Can you notice something important? The payload I have provided in the search bar is getting reflected inside this URL directly. It means that whatever I type in the search bar, it gets reflected into the URL without getting sanitized, and that is why this is called as reflected XSS. So reflected XSS happens when the malicious input is immediately reflected in the response. So if the application is vulnerable to XSS, then attackers can steal session tokens, hijack accounts, redirect users, modify what users see. And here the important thing is the server is not hacked, but the user is. Now imagine I send this link to you and you just click on it, and the moment you click on it, the code gets executed in your browser. And this is just one type of XSS, that is reflected XSS. There are other types as well, and we will cover those in the next video, and I will show you how attackers use it to target multiple users at once. So if you are learning cybersecurity, understanding XSS is not optional, and this was just a beginning. So if you want to go deeper into this topic, please subscribe to my channel, and we will discover other vulnerabilities as well.